Hi, this quick introduction to MYCOlive application. Here you can select an apartment, you can select a room, and you can see all the details of the property. You can watch a video of the apartment, and you can select a room within the apartment, and you can make the booking by bank transfer or credit card. So here I'm logged in as a Kappa account. I'm gonna switch to the admin mode. I'm gonna go to start with the profile. Here you can see the transactions and the invoices of the bookings. Here we can see the chat of each apartment under the management of CI Kappa. So taking for example first apartment, here on top right we can see the check-in informations of the property, and then if you click here we can see the tenants, the period where they're staying, when they're staying, the flag where they come from, and the operation team of MYCOlive and the admin CI Kappa. You can communicate with the tenant directly. And if you wanna report an issue, you just simply click on a message and you can mark it as an issue. And then I'm gonna unmark it as an issue because it's not an issue. I'm gonna delete this message. Boom. Here you can see is only one issues list is pending. And here we can see all the completed issues list as that's been solved. And you can see here the cost of the issue, when it was reported and by who and when it was solved. And we can filter here. We can see the cleaning schedule, when is the next cleaning, upcoming cleanings, which property and when and who will be the cleaner. And if we click on completed to this apartment, we can see here the time and date of the cleaning and who was the cleaner, who is the proof. And of course we can set up the cleaning from here, bottom right. Dashboard tab, here we can see all the upcoming tasks for the next 2 days. Here we can check the check-in, check-out report for each tenant. Let's go to completed. Take as an example. Here we can see the checklist if something is missing. Here we can see the proof of the keys and on the arrival, and here if there's damages at the check-in report. We got the users list. Here we can create a new user. We can add the names, email, and password. And here we got the bookings. Top right, we can create booking. Here in the users, we can allocate the booking to the user that we just created in the previous tab. That means the user will have the same function as his roommate, even if this booking on a third-party platform. We got the analytics. Here's MYCOlive platform. You can see total users, reservations, and also you can see what's happening and the cleaning, like the dashboard on MYCOlive application, arrival and departure. Top left, we got here the customers first, where you can see all the data for each customer, each tenant. Properties, where you can see all your apartments, the information of each property, and you can list a new apartment from here. Just add property, you can add the informations. And then we got here the bookings. Here's the bookings. You can see total bookings, how many customers, and the revenue from these bookings. So it's the same like in the app. You can create a new booking and you can allocate the booking to different customers. And then we got the booking change request that allow the customers, the tenants, to modify their stay, extend their stay, for example. And then here we got the reports, sales reports. So here's the sales reports. You can see your total booking, total income, average and night stay. You can see the revenue, total revenue of each month collected. You can compare between this year and last year. You can see how many rooms you have, the occupancy rate, revenue breakdown, and here the operations. So here you can see the checklist. Then here we have the cleaning schedule, where we set up a regular cleaning. For example, here it's set up to every 7 days. Here in the operation as well, you can export the issues list as Excel file. And here's as well, you can check in, check out reports, where you can check in, check out reports for the tenants. And we got here as well automate, where you can change the price for the full portfolio or just multiple apartments, where you open a calendar for multiple properties in one click. And then monthly rent to track your rent. If customers haven't paid your rent yet, you can just select the period and you can select status to pending, filter, and then you can see all has been paid. You can see here all accepted with the time, and you can also view the invoice as well.